Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel where we provide step-by-step tutorials on various tech topics. In this video, we'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page. Facebook pages are essential for businesses, organizations, and individuals to promote their brands and connect with their audience. So, let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for Facebook. If you don't already have a Facebook account, you'll need to sign up for one. Go to facebook.com and click on Sign Up. Fill in your name, email or mobile phone number, password, date of birth and gender. Then, click Sign Up again. Step 2. Create a page. Once you have logged into your Facebook account, click on the Create button on the top right-hand side of the screen. Then, select Page from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Choose a page type. There are several types of Facebook pages to choose from. You can select business or brand if you're creating a page for your company, community or public figure, if you're creating a page for a public figure or organization, or cause or community if you're creating a page for a social cause or community group. Choose the option that best suits your needs. Step 4. Fill out your page information. Once you've chosen your page type, you'll need to fill out your page information. This includes your page name, category, and description. You can also upload a profile picture and cover photo for your page. Step 5. Customize your page. Now that your page is created, it's time to customize it. You can add a call to action button, such as Shop Now or Sign Up, to encourage your audience to take action. You can also add additional sections to your page, such as reviews or services. Step 6. Publish your page. Once you're happy with your page, click on the Publish button on the top right-hand side of the screen. Congratulations! Your Facebook page is now live. Conclusion. Creating a Facebook page is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. By following this tutorial, you now have the knowledge and skills to create your own page and connect with your audience. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.